since we are in lockdown, can I give salary of my office staff from zakat money as the business is closed due to lockdown and unfortunately their salaries are not yet paid? You cannot give salary from your zakat money. It's not permissible. Because when you give zakat money, when you give that zakat money, you cannot take any services from any human being. That zakat is pure obligatory charity. 2.5% above the nisab level that you have of your saving. With this charity money, with this zakat money, you cannot take any services. You cannot. So if you have not paid salary, that's the different issue. You should pay salary or whatever the situation is. Zakat you can give to your staff, no problem, but not as part of the salary. You give them as zakat, no problem. Give them as charity, no problem. But you cannot say this will compensate for your salary. No, you cannot do that. You cannot take any benefit from the zakat you give from any particular individual. It is purely an obligatory charity. It's your fard. You're not doing a favor on him, and the person receiving it is his fard that he can take it. So it cannot be part of the salary, but you can give zakat to your staff very well, but don't give it as part of your salary.